Welcome back to my channel. Do you want a fast hair growth and a healthy hair? Stay tuned and find out the 2 secret ingredients that lies in your kitchen that will help you to grow your hair. To make this hair oil, I'll be using 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed. I would like to crush the seed so that the oil can infuse properly. So I'm going to blend into a powder. Fenugreek is a spice that you can find in your kitchen. It is high in protein and nicotinic acid, which will help to stop hair fall. When I'm done blending the fenugreek seed, I'll put into a bowl and set aside. I'll be using fresh ginger root for this recipe. So with a spoon, I will scrape the ginger skin. I will continue scraping until I'm done peeling off all the ginger skin. So powerful. It will help to cleanse your scalp, to prevent any build-up on your scalp. It will help to enhance healthy hair growth by stimulating warm effects on your scalp, which will help to improve circulation to your scalp. So when I'm done peeling the ginger, I will use a grater to grate the ginger into smaller pieces. So when I'm done grating the ginger, I will set aside. Then I have a clean jar. I'll be using grapeseed oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, like coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil. I'll be adding a good amount of oil into the jar. Add the blended fenugreek seed into the oil. I'll also add the grated ginger. When I'm done adding, I will cover the jar, give it a good shake, then I will allow to infuse. Tone down the smell of the ginger with any essential oil like lavender oil, mint oil, tea tree oil. I'll be using double boiling method to quicken the process. I'll place the jar into a boiling water and allow to boil for about 10 minutes. Then I will remove from the water and allow to cool before straining the oil. I hope you can see that the color of the oil has changed, which shows that the nutrient from the fenugreek and the ginger have extracted and mixed into the oil. So I will stir to mix properly. Then with a strainer, I will sieve to get the oil. You can use a strainer or cheesecloth to strain the oil. This oil is so good and it will help your hair to grow healthy, stop any hair fall. From fenugreek will help your hair to grow strong and healthy, prevent shedding, while the ginger contains potassium ion. It will help to stimulate your scalp, increase blood circulation, and also remove any buildup from your scalp. You can apply this for like 2 times in a week for maximum results. You can use this as a pre-poo oil. Rub it on your hair and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Then you can wash your hair and condition. You will feel a stimulating effect on your scalp. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.